Hi,異文化理解 class. I'm going to teach you how to make ceviche, which is Mexican food, or Mexico料理. The ingredients that you will need for ceviche are lime or lemon, avocado, tomato, crab, salt, cucumber, cilantro, or coriander or pakuchi, and an onion. First, wash your vegetables. Make sure to wash them really well. After you finish washing your vegetables, you're ready to start.
Let's go over the list again. Because I'm going to feed many people, I bought 4 packs of crab, 2 avocados, 1 onion, 3 tomatoes, 4 lemons, and 4 cucumbers.
Okay, let's get started.
First, get the crab and cut it into small pieces, and then put it in a big bowl. Then cut 2 lemons and squeeze the juice into the crab. Get all the juice out. Make sure to take all of the seeds out of the ceviche. Okay, now cut 1/2 of the onion into small pieces. Then cut the tomato. Curry time! Alright, get the cucumbers and cut them into small pieces, like this. Oh my gosh, avocado! Okay, cut the avocado into small pieces, like what you see here in the video. Then, just like the other ingredients, put them into the big bowl and mix. Almost done. Alright, get your cilantro and cut it into very small pieces. Now put it into the bowl. Almost done. Get the last 2 lemons and squeeze them in. And then add salt. Last thing you need to do is to mix. And then we're done!
And just like that, you have your ceviche. What I like to do is go to Family Mart and pick up these chips to eat with my ceviche. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye!